Hi, Ralph here, and I came up with possibly a simple solution to the Romeo problem. The Romeo problem being is as we're reading through a text file, we're iterating through a text file, getting it prepped for other types of problems or solutions, I should say. As we iterate through it, every time there's a new line break, it ends up forming a new list. So we end up with a list of lists, which you can iterate through, but it's a pain. However, though, I stumbled upon through accident just mixing around with different code, but I'm sure it's out there, but for me, it was accidental. This little code right here, list, and you go through the file read and then split, which when you control enter, you end up with each individual word in the list without it being separated through those new line breaks, which makes it extremely easy to iterate through. I'll have the code listed on the YouTube channel. Obviously, it's easy enough right here just to copy, but I hope this helps. Ralph signing off, and I'll catch you guys all a bit later on. See you then. Bye.